Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today we're talking about Fartcoin. Okay, so Fartcoin is exploding here and has exploded over the last day or so. So we're going to be covering this video from a technical analysis standpoint, looking at where this asset could be going, because it's doing very goddamn well right now. Okay, so over the last day, we're looking at 39.62% gain. Ridiculous, nearly 50%. Look how bullish this chart looks. The 7-day, you can see here, it has actually exploded to the upside, and we're looking at near enough breaking even here, even after all this insane dumpage here. So yeah, insane to see that coming back here after such a massive decline in the price. Currently priced at 54 cents, $550 million market cap. Pretty crazy stuff. And we all know this asset is on Solana. We haven't seen a Binance or a Coinbase listing as of yet here for this asset, but it's not looking too bad at all. Okay, it's not looking too bad at all from a volume standpoint. So if that is going to happen, then it's very likely that we're going to see Fartcoin really sort of explode here even more to the upside. Okay, just quickly guys, before we get into the chart, because there's some very interesting stuff happening on the chart right now that I want to be going through, I want to talk to you quickly about Solana. Okay, so you can see Solana Solana layer 2 project is raised $28 million. I'll leave the link in the description for this project, guys. They're going to be launching very, very, very soon. If you want to get involved with an early project that has got an amazing utility, that is basically destined to do really well because they've raised so much money. We're talking Binance listings, Coinbase listings. We're talking real big dogs here, raising such a large amount of money. You should definitely go check it out. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys there. Now over back to Fartcoin, you can see the as you can see here, 51 cents here over on the day. This is where it gets quite interesting, because if we are weighing this up here from, say, an all-time high standpoint to where we are now, we're actually on a very pivotable point here. Okay, a very, very strong area that we need to really, really weigh up. Now you can see that we did actually see support coming through from this area again, support from this area, resistance, resistance. Now, where are we? We're literally ready to break this to the upside. If we can take a leg up here to this area, it's very likely we continue right the way up to this area here, up to $1. Okay, if that is going to happen, guys, that will put Fartcoin at roughly $1 billion market cap. Okay, $1 billion market cap for Fartcoin is very, very achievable here. As you can see in previous price action, it got to a $2.7 billion market cap, I do believe. Let's have a little look. Yep, you can see roughly in that area, a little bit off on compared to the exchange CMC, but you can see $2.54 billion, currently down at around 500 million. So that would mean basically a 5x on your investment if this asset is to break out here. Now the measure move for this breakout is it's very achievable. Very, very nice, very clean, as you can see here. This is what we like to see, a nice clean trend. We've got pullbacks as well, nice significant pullback, and then sort of a shooting star candle there as well. And you can see from a price range standpoint, we could be looking at around a 200% move on your investment here. So that's a 3x on your investment, guys. Pretty insane stuff, up to around $1.57 a coin. And what do you know? This is where the resistance point is from previous price action. So it's very, very likely that we do see a breakout for this asset coming through, and we can make a load of money doing so. Okay, but yeah, let me know what you think of Fartcoin in the comment section, guys. Super intrigued to know your opinion here. That is gonna be it from me. If you are looking for a new project, don't rest on this. Don't sleep on this. Solana layer 2 is definitely one to go check out. They've raised millions and millions of dollars, massive community, massive utility. This thing is gonna absolutely explode. Okay, my next 10 to 100x pick here. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.